Hi there! My name is Yenyu Lin. I am a second-year master student in teaching world languages. This semester, I also teach beginning Chinese for the Chinese program at the University of Kentucky. As a language teacher, I enjoy learning new languages myself. For me, it is fascinating to talk and to exchange thoughts with people from all over the world. English helps me to do so I want to help and motivate my students to use the Chinese language to achieve their own goals too. Beyond academics, I enjoy cooking a lot. I am from Taiwan, so I cook a lot of Taiwanese dishes and share them with my friends here. I am a noodle lover, tofu lover, and a seafood lover. Unfortunately, there are not many seafood in Lexington. A fun fact about me is that I have changed my name once when I was 7. When I was a kid, I cried a lot and I was sort of a whiner. So my mom took me to a fortune teller place and I picked this new name for myself. It means peaceful bird or peaceful feather. So that's me. Nice to meet you.